And hello guys, welcome to Trading Chapters 101. So we are going to discuss about the thing called indicators. So the indicator is nothing but just a lagging thing, lagging after the price action, you can say that. So let's look into it. If you can see that, what's the best indicator that can give you 100% return or 50% return? So many of the new traders says that indicator is the only thing that can that can make you generate profit. So there's nothing like that, because you have to combine indicators with price action to to get a good result on a yearly basis of your trading PNL. So the thing is, indicators are just a lagging indicators. Like, you can say that if you're just driving the car, you're handling the steering very well. You know that you have to turn right, so you have to put the right indicator. It's nothing about that. See, nothing makes sense, right? That's what indicator is. So the thing is, indicators can make sense if you use them in the right ways. So the thing is, let's look at it. If you see, so what's the best indicators around right now? So there are none, actually. You can say the indicators are nothing, just a price action. Doing history, it calculates, mathematical calculations are based on the historical price data of that of the certain company. So that's the thing about indicators. It's a very lagging thing too. You can say that many of the new traders have been saying that indicators, they you can look at the chart itself. They have 10-15 indicators by different datas, showing different datas, and like, it's very complex, and your trading doesn't mean to be a complex thing. But we can say that there is a one indicator you can rely on for 30 to 40%. Okay, 30 to 40% of your time. It's the indicator called, it's a moving average, you can say that. Let's look at that. And what day moving average is this? Let's look at in the technicals itself. So just type MA. You can see that in MA it's moving average. And just you have to go to the settings. Then after that, just point to 100. And if you want to change your colors, change that. That would be good. So I'm changing to orange type of color. That would be a good indication. You can see that this indicators works a lot of time. Nadan itself, it has given a break in daily time frame. It has moved up, it has moved 100% up. After that, it has been touched one time, and after that it has moved up. Then there is a huge break here. It has go down till here. It's actually 30-40% return. Let's look at it and the stock in ONGC, oil natural gas. So see that there is a break around here. There's a good break. After that, it has moved up. It tried to test here. After that, it broken out, trapped the buyers. Then just came down and retouched, and it came down. After that, it tried to break, and it have broken out, some retested, and just boom. See that? That's the thing about. But it has failed. I think it has failed. Let's see, it just fail in indicators. Why? Is because if you can see, let's combine it with price action in this area. Let's look at that. So here's the thing, the markets are moving, like, what you're seeing. It's like making a lower lows. You can see that there is making lower lows. Yeah, it's pretty much like a double bottom, making lower lows. So that's the thing. It tried to break out, and there's a resistance here. After that, it's going to came to crashing down. So that's the thing. After that, you can see that there is a good momentum upside, and there is like a good momentum downside and break. See, there is this kind of choppy market, you can say that, and so that's why it doesn't work in that choppy market. There would be a choppy market in for more than 2 months, more than 3 months. If you have been in markets more than 3 years, you can be I have been in markets for more past 2 years. So yeah, I have faced that. And let's look at JSW Steel. See that it doesn't works in GSW steel. So that's the thing. It doesn't works in many of the things. So and like, but you can just you can't rely on this, because you have to combine it with price action. It would work like a beautiful thing. So let's look at that. See that? Just combine it with price action. You can see it in power grid or any other. So let's look at this stock in weekly basis. See, it has been tested, it has given a break, and for it has moved down. After that, just let's see, let's look at, there's a trend line breaks. You combine with the price action, it has moved up. You can keep your stop loss around here. You could have kept stop loss around 135.35 and just ride the trend. That's the thing about you can say yeah, that's a good indicator, but you can just rely on 30 to 40%. That's the thing about this indicator. So yeah, guys, this is my analysis towards indicators. It's indicators on nothing, but just a false. I give many of the false you can say the false data. That's the thing about indicators. Over reliance on indicators would be like just say noob traders and just beginning the traders would do just rely on indicators. I have been relying on indicators for you can say in 2019 I have been relying on indicators. You can say that I have been doing intraday trades with VWAPs and RSI combined. RSI, if you are 50 above, you have to buy. So that didn't really work out unless I have studied price action. After that did work out after 2 years, so I'm grateful for that. So let's look at that. You can see the indicators mostly in MI. It's it's just lagging data. You can say that's the base of indicators, nothing else. So if you want to use indicator, just use moving average 200. That would help you a bit. But please combine it with price action. Just expect in price action too, just expect a win rate of 60, 40, 50%. There are some big traders, their win rate is 10 or 20%, but they are still making good returns. Why? Because of the risk reward ratio too. So please concentrate on that too. So yeah, this is my analysis, and thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you everyone.